Gallbladder polyps are growths or lesions that protrude from the inner lining of the gallbladder. Most polyps are benign, but some may have the potential to develop into gallbladder cancer, especially if they are larger than 1 centimeter. What causes gallbladder polyps? Gallbladder polyps are caused by 1. Chronic inflammation, persistent irritation of the gallbladder lining due to conditions like gallstones. 2. Cholesterol deposits. Cholesterolosis, where cholesterol is deposited in the gallbladder wall. 3. Familial predisposition. Genetic factors may also play a role in developing gallbladder polyps. 4. Metabolic factors. Conditions like obesity, hyperlipidemia, and metabolic syndrome also causes gallbladder polyps. Gallbladder polyp symptoms. Gallbladder polyps are often asymptomatic, but symptoms may arise if they are large or associated with other conditions. The symptoms of gallbladder polyps are as follows: pain in the upper right abdomen. This can be dull or sharp. Nausea and vomiting. Digestive issues such as bloating, indigestion, or discomfort after eating fatty foods. Jaundice. It occurs rarely if the polyp obstructs bile flow. Gallbladder polyps diagnosis. Gallbladder polyps are often found incidentally through imaging studies. Ultrasound is being the most common diagnostic method to detect gallbladder polyps. Besides, CT scan or MRI provide detailed imaging, where endoscopic ultrasound (EUS) offers a closer evaluation of suspicious polyps. Gallbladder polyps treatment. The treatment of gallbladder polyps depend on the size, number, and nature of the polyps. Treatment options are: 1. Observation. Small polyps less than 10 mm with no suspicious features are often monitored with periodic ultrasounds. Follow-up intervals depend on growth and risk factors. 2. Surgical removal, cholecystectomy. Cholecystectomy is recommended for polyps greater than 10 mm due to a higher risk of malignancy. Besides, cholecystectomy is also suggested if symptoms are present or if the patient has risk factors like gallstones or primary sclerosing cholangitis. 3. Management of underlying conditions. Management of underlying conditions such as hyperlipidemia or other metabolic disorders is necessary if they contribute to polyp development. Cancer treatment. If malignancy is confirmed, further oncologic management, including advanced surgery and chemotherapy, may be needed. Prognosis of gallbladder polyps. Most gallbladder polyps are benign, especially if they are small. Regular follow-ups and timely interventions for large or symptomatic polyps are key to preventing complications like gallbladder cancer. This was all about gallbladder polyps. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.